Properties of ionic compounds. Let us look at some ionic compound properties. Physical nature. Ionic compounds are hard solids as the force of attraction between the positive and negative ions is very strong. These compounds are brittle and break when pressure is applied. Melting and boiling points. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points because of a considerable amount of energy that is required to break the strong inter-ionic attraction. Solubility. Ionic compounds are soluble in water and insoluble in solvents such as kerosene, petrol, and so on. Conduction of electricity. Ionic compounds, when in solid state, do not conduct electricity as the movement of ions is not possible because of the rigid structure. But when ionic compounds are in a molten state, it is possible to conduct electricity as the electrostatic forces of attraction between the oppositely charged ions are overcome due to the heat. This leads to ions to move freely and conduct electricity.